Good morning. I want to say thank you to everyone who's reached out to us, who's scheduled consultations, or who have even sent us DMs. I appreciate any interest in Plentiful Hair Studio. I want to say the Plentiful Hair Studio is a hair loss practice where we specialize in non-surgical hair restoration and non-surgical hair replacement. If you get into our hair restoration program, in the beginning, the first few months, the first 3 months are intensive, and they consist of weekly appointments. And because they consist of weekly appointments, sometimes for our guests, wearing a daily wear piece, a wig or a topper, is best for them as they go through this process. However, there are some people who only wear hair pieces and they don't want to be in a hair restoration program. We have that as well. But for the most part, that's the reason that we post and offer wigs, because it's hand in hand. I don't want to offer you a program where you might feel like, you have to go to work, where you feel like I'm just making sure you have to get a shampoo every week and you don't know what to do with your hair. So we do offer hair pieces. On the other side of it, of course, we do non-surgical hair replacement. We do extended wear attachments, traditional non-surgical hair replacement that's attached 4 to 6 weeks at a time. But I'm saying this to say that Plentiful Hair Studio is not a wig store. I get a lot of messages like that, and I get it because we do offer wigs. But our wigs are designed for, a lot of people who wear wigs aren't wig savvy. They don't know how to do all that melting. They don't know how to do all that ball capping. They don't have time, The average client I have is a career woman. They don't have time. So our wigs are designed pop on and go. They're designed to last a long time and be easy for the client. I've had my hair piece that I'm wearing now going on 3 years, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. But at the same time, I do take care of my hair underneath. So that is what I'm saying. So you can wear the piece, but you still have to take care of your hair underneath. And if you are experiencing hair loss, you still have to be mindful that if you decide I'm going to ignore this hair loss, it's going to worsen, and you're going to, in a few years, wish that you would have addressed it. That is the consensus, and I keep saying that because that's the consensus that I have with guests who come in. So it's not a wig store. We have hair loss solutions. We offer hair restoration, hair replacement. We offer extended wear attachments, 4 to 6 weeks, daily wear pieces that you take off every day. But most importantly, we offer hair restoration so that you won't need the piece. Or if you want to take the piece off at home, you can take the piece off at home. Or if sometimes you don't want to wear a piece at all, you don't have to wear a piece at all. You see? So that's why we do what we do. Not a wig store. Hair loss solutions. Also, I wanted to say that we have payment plans and financing options, 5 different forms for every service that we offer. So that's another thing. So people contact me about the price. We have financing and payment plans, and even if you don't have, it's all customized to fit whatever you need that's best for you in your life. So we work with you, you work with us. Fun. Confidence.